I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get data from Yahoo Finance into Excel. First, open Excel and navigate to the Data tab. You will find options there to import external data directly. We will explore using a web query to pull live data and also importing data from a comma-separated values file. These methods provide flexible ways to integrate financial information for your analysis, saving you significant time and effort. To use a web query, begin by opening Excel and selecting the Data tab. Look for the From Web option, usually found within the Get and Transform Data group. A dialog box will appear where you can paste the Yahoo Finance URL for the specific stock or index you wish to track. Once the page loads, you can visually select the data tables you want to import, then click Load to bring the information into your spreadsheet. This method allows for easy data refreshing. Another effective way is to download historical data directly from Yahoo Finance as a comma-separated values file. On the Yahoo Finance website, navigate to the Historical Data section for your chosen asset and click the Download button. Once saved, return to Excel, go to the Data tab, and select from text/CSV. Browse to your downloaded file, preview the data to ensure it looks correct, and then click Load to bring it into your worksheet. This provides a static snapshot of the data. To maximize your efficiency, remember to refresh your web queries periodically to keep your financial data up to date. Organizing your imported information into Excel tables can greatly simplify analysis, sorting, and filtering. For more advanced data manipulation, explore Excel's powerful Power Query features, which allow for sophisticated transformations. Always save your workbook to ensure your valuable financial data and any analyses are preserved for future use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.